Okay, so here we have a problem that we're going to find out the length of the chords. And here we have example to find the length of the chord. We can break down the problem down into two case steps using out the Pythagorean theorem and applying the circle theorem. Now here we are going to read out the question then. In the diagram, AB is perpendicular to OP. Now here we have to find out then if OB is equals to 32.5 cm and OP is 12.5 cm. So we're going to find out the measure for AB then here. So first we're going to find and write it out then. So first we're going to find the length of PB. So to find out oh, the length of PB is that length of PB. So first, let's go try to look out for it in the diagram then. Now we have for the OP is perpendicular to AB, which means that triangle OPB is a right angle triangle with the right angle at P then. Now, moving forward, how here we're going to write out for the hypotenuse. Now we have for the hypotenuse down here, if you can see down, we have for that would be the OB is equals to 32.5. Now we have for the leg. Now the leg would be that OP is equals to 12.5 then. Now let's go. You're going to use out the Pythagorean theorem then. Now since this would be here, we're going to write out for equations OP squared plus PB is equals to OB. Now, don't forget out this we have the squared for each down. And now let's go substitute out the values down here. So we have for OB is 12.5 plus PB. We have PB is as the square for that one. Now if we have 32, forget we have going to write it for square. 32.5, that's going to have the square for that. So let's go square all of them. That's going to give us with 1,156.25. Now plus PB squared is equals to 1,056.25 then. Now let's try to solve it out for the PB. Now we have PB squared is equals to 1,056.25 minus 156.25. Now that's going to give us with PB squared is equals to 900. Now if we're going to cancel out for a square, we're going to square out both sides. That's going to be about PB is equals to square root of 900 then. Now, moving forward for that one, that's going to have for the 900 square PB is about 30 then. Now, since we're going to find out for the length of AB, so let's go use out here. So try to remember we have OP is simply perpendicular to AB. And let's look out the figure one more time down here. We able to find that here we have for the point P is a midpoint of AB then. So therefore, we're going to write it out then here. So here, to find the length here, the length of AB is we have AB is equals to 2 times PB. Now looking out for the value of PB, we have the 30. So that's going to give us with a, oh, yeah, A B is equals to 2 times 30 and is equals to 60 then. So the measurement we have here for now is AB is equals to 60 cm then. So that is how we find the answer down then for the A.